Hello everyone. Today we will understand a new concept called Indian place value system. Through this concept, we will learn how to read and write 8 or 9 digit numbers. So let us begin. Indian place value system has been divided into 4 periods. Now the first period is ones, the second period is thousands, the third is lakhs, and the fourth one is crores. These periods have further been divided into different places. Like ones has been divided into 3 places, namely ones, tens, and hundreds. Thousands have been divided into thousands and 10,000s, 2 places. Lakhs is also divided into 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And crores is also divided into 2 places, crores and 10 crores. These places help us to read and write the numbers. So now let us begin with reading and writing of numbers. Now, first is how do we write the numbers in word form, which also means that how do we write them? How do we write the number name of any number in Indian place value system? Now, let us first again revise the periods. We have ones periods, we have thousands period, then we have lakhs period, and then we have crores period. We will write down the number according to the periods. Now ones have 3 places, ones, tens, and hundreds. Thousands have 2 places, thousands and 10,000s. Lakhs have 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And crores also have 2 places, crores and 10 crores. Now we will use these places to first put commas in between the numbers. Wherever the period changes, we put the comma and then we further write down in word form. So first of all, ones have 3 places. So we leave 3 places and then we put a comma showing that there is a period change now. Then we have thousands. Thousands have 2 places. So we leave 2 numbers, put a comma showing that the period changes from thousands to lakhs now. Lakhs have 2 places. So we leave 2 places, again put a comma showing that the lakhs changes to crores now. So we have 4 groups over here. Group 1 of ones, group 2 of thousands, group 3 of lakhs, and group 4 of crores. So how do we write down? The first is crores. So we write down 4 crores. Then we have lakhs. So it becomes 23 lakhs. Then we have thousands, 19,000. Lastly, we come to the group of ones. We do not call as ones, but we write down in terms of places now. 600 and 17. So this is how we write down a number, the numeral in word form. Now let us see what is the standard form. How do we write down a number, a word, number name into the standard form? Again, I've taken the same example, but we will read over here. We have 4 crores. Let us just identify the periods first. We have crores over here, 4 crores, 23 lakhs, 19,000, and then we have 617, which is the period of ones. So how do we write? 4 crores is number 4. Then comes the period change with a comma. 23 lakhs. So let us write on 23 lakhs, a period change. So again a comma. 19,000. So 19. Again a period change. So comes a comma. 617. So we first identify the periods and we put the commas in the period change. So this is how we write down the convert the word form to the standard form or convert the number name to the standard form. Now, in the next, we will learn how to write down the numbers in expanded form. First of all, we have to put the commas. We have to write down the standard form and then we will convert the standard form to the expanded form. So first we leave three numbers of the ones period, put a comma, leave two numbers of thousand period, put a comma, leave two numbers of the lakhs period, put a comma, and then we have crores. Now, how do we write down expanded form? Expanded form basically has wherein we show that 4 crores means 4 with how many zeros? 7 zeros. So what do? We first of all write down 4. Then we count the number of places after that. There are how many places? There are 7 numbers after 4. So we write down 7 zeros. We write down 7 zeros showing that 4 crores over here plus. Then we move on to number 2. Count the number of numbers after the number of numbers after 2. How many? 6. So we write down 6 zeros. Then number 3. How many zeros? 5 zeros. After this, number 1 with 4 zeros. Then number 9 with 3 zeros. Number 6 with 2 zeros. Number 1 with 1 zero. And lastly, we have the units digit, which is 7. So we have converted the number, the standard form to the expanded form, where we actually show what is the expanded form of 4 crores, what is the expanded form of 20 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 10,000, 9,600, then 10, and then 7. Now, I hope the concept of Indian place value system is clear through this video. I have explained how do we write down the numbers in word form, how do we read and write the numbers, how do we write in standard form, how do we put it in the expanded form. Try this with different examples and I'm sure this will be clear. Thank you.